Welcome, engineers. Today we're examining the Car Crash Force Interactive Calculator, a tool designed to solve critical safety engineering problems by calculating impact forces, deceleration rates, and energy dissipation during vehicle collisions. Let's explore the calculator's inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate impact force from stopping distance. Calculate impact force from impact duration. Calculate stopping distance. Calculate impact duration. Calculate velocity change. And calculate kinetic energy dissipated. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate impact force from stopping distance. Next, we have vehicle mass in kilograms, initial velocity in meters per second, and stopping distance in meters. Additional fields include impact duration in seconds, impact force in newtons, and final velocity in meters per second, though not all fields are required for every calculation mode. Let's work through a realistic example. Consider a 1,500 kilogram vehicle traveling at 22 meters per second that comes to rest over 2.5 meters during a crash. Enter 1,500 for vehicle mass, 22 for initial velocity, and 2.5 for stopping distance. Click Calculate. The results show an impact force of 290,400 newtons, average deceleration of 193.6 meters per second squared, and a g-force of 19.75. The kinetic energy dissipated is 363,000 joules, confirming our stopping distance of 2.5 meters and calculating an impact duration of 0.227 seconds. These outputs quantify the severity of the crash event. The g-force indicates occupant stress levels, while impact force helps engineers design appropriate crumple zones and restraint systems. One critical insight: always verify your units. Mixing imperial and metric values is a common error that produces meaningless results. Find the link in the description below.